Hey,
What?
do you know what go to bed means?
No.
What does go to bed mean? Huh? What does it mean? I am gonna pop all those. You ready?
No.
Ready? I'm gonna pop your booty too. Crazy man. You're crazy. Hey! Is anybody home?
No.
I was looking for a little princess.
What's a princess?
I was looking for a princess. Did you see one?
Yeah.
Where?
It's in here.
Oh, you seen a princess in here?
Yes.
Where? Can she come out?
Yes.
Okay, well, where is she? Oh, that's a princess? Hi, princess. That's not a princess. Where's the princess? Where's the princess? I was looking for a princess. Princess Buttercup.
It's in the kitchen.
Oh, Princess Buttercup's in the kitchen? Oh, okay.
Why?
Let's go see. Where's the Princess Buttercup? Oh, there she is.
What?
Princess Buttercup.
Princess Buttercup?
Yeah, she told me Princess Buttercup was in the kitchen.
Oh, really?
She didn't know my joke. She didn't know about Princess Buttercup. What's that from? Princess Buttercup.